Hi, this is a short video that will show you how to use 3 of the library's pro-con databases to find articles on current issues or hot topics. Starting at the college homepage at mvc.edu, to get to the library, we would go under Student Support and click where it says Library. That will take you to the library's homepage. If you scroll down the library's homepage about halfway, you want to find a link that says Electronic Databases A to Z. This is a list of all of the databases that the Moreno Valley College Library subscribes to that you have access to as a student. On the right-hand side, you will see our most popular databases. 3 of these are the pro-con databases. The pro-con databases are great to use to find a topic, to get a topic idea, or to find information on both sides of an issue. The 3 pro-con databases are called Opposing Viewpoints Resource Center, Points of View Reference Center, and SIRS Researcher. Each one works very similarly, however, they do provide different content. So we will explore each one very quickly. If we click on the first one that says Opposing Viewpoints, if you are off campus, you will be asked to log in with your student email account. That will allow you to access the databases off of campus. Once you do that, you will be taken into the database. There's several ways that you can use this database. You can put in a search up here in the search box if you have a topic in mind, or if you need to choose a topic, you can come down here and look at some of the hot topics that are very current in the news right now. Or you can scroll down and look at the topics under different categories. It shows you the first 3 under each category, and then if you want to see more under that category, you would just click on the bold text. So for this video, we'll just go ahead and explore the topic of vaccines. This first page will give you an overview of the topic, and then down below you will see a variety of sources with articles on this topic. So there are academic journals, there are images, magazine articles, viewpoints, which gives you both sides of an issue, reference sources, videos, and so on. To look at any of these, you will see the first 3 underneath that category, and then you'll notice where it says the number in parentheses, that is the number of articles in that category. So if you just go ahead and click on the title of one of them, it will give you the full text of the article. It will also give you additional articles to explore on the right-hand side, as well as related subjects if you want to click on those and do an entirely new search. When you are looking at an article, it will tell you where it's published, and right here you have a number of tools that you can use to interact with the article. You can save it to your Google Drive, to your cloud, you can email it to yourself, you can download it, as well as print. I recommend emailing articles to yourself, and you can send it to your own address in the to and the from. That way it doesn't end up in your spam, hopefully. And then you can also send just the citation if you just want the citation for the article, or you can send the full text. So that is the full text of that article. If you scroll all the way to the bottom, you will see that you have several citation options. If you have to cite your sources in a particular format, most of the library's databases will provide you with that format. All you need to do is copy and paste this into your assignment. You do have to make sure that the formatting remains the same, that it's double spaced and has a hanging indent, which is what MLA uses. So we can go back to our list of results. And if you want to look at any of the academic journals, you can just click on that, and it will walk you through all of the academic journals available through this particular database. And you would just click on the title, and again you will see the full text of that article. You can email it if you want to, and then you can scroll all the way down and you will see the citation. You will also see the citation option up at the top where you have additional options in how to interact with this article. So you can click where it says cite, and again that gives you the citation if you need it. So that is a very quick overview of opposing viewpoints. Now if we go back, I can also show you a very quick overview. Let's go let's go back to the library's A to Z list. And the next one we will explore is called Points of View Reference Center. Again, it works very similarly in that it gives you this initial search box, it gives you the hot topics in the news, and then additional topics down here to explore under categories. Again, a great place to go if you're looking for a topic or you're not sure what to write your paper on. This is a great place to go for some ideas, or you could just type in a topic in the search box. So if I wanted to define information on global warming, I would click on search. And I have 27 articles over here that are points and counterpoints, which is what it's called in here. That is the one side of an issue and the other side of the issue. And then if you want to, you can look at additional sources. Over here on the left, you can look at newspaper articles, magazine articles, and other types of sources. But if you want to see the full text of this article, again, we would just click on the title, and it will take you to the full text. And again, you'll notice there are subject terms assigned to the article. That is a great place to go to get additional keywords when searching, or if you click on any of these, it will do an entirely new search for you. When you have the option, I highly recommend looking at the PDF full text of the article, because that is the article as it appeared when it was originally published in print. And that will give you the exact page numbers that your information appears on. So I recommend using the PDF when it is available. If we go back to the record for this article, over on the right, you again will see all of the different tools that you have to interact with the article. You can again email it to yourself. When you email in this particular database, you would put your email address in, and then over here, choose the citation format that you wish to have included in the email when it gets sent to you. If you don't want to email the citation to yourself, you can come down here to the Cite button, and then you can just scroll down to the format that you need. Most students use MLA. And again, you can just copy and paste this into your paper, and then make sure that you double space the citation and that it remains with a hanging indent. But that is how you would use the citation function in this particular database, and that's a very quick overview of how you would search for a topic or find a topic using points of view reference. And the last Procon database is called SIRS Researcher. Again, we'll just go ahead and click on that. It will take you to this first page, where you will see a search box, and then you will see some topics that you could choose from as well. Notice that I didn't have to log in because I already logged in once off of campus. So here's your search box. If you want to, you can look at any of the trending topics at the top, or you can look at the different categories and look for information down there. So let's say I wanted to look at cell phones. Choose cell phone in schools as my topic. Here's the contents of that article. You have your viewpoint 1, your viewpoint 2, so two different sides of the issue. You can come down here and look at critical questions, some things to ask that will help you develop some research questions. You can look at the timeline. And then up here, you can actually look and save this information. You can cite it, print it, or email once again. Or if you want to, you can just type in your topic, and that will lead you to a variety of sources. So we have roughly 4,700 results where it talks about cell phone use in the classroom. Over on the left, you can choose what type of source you want to look at, whether it be a newspaper, a magazine, a scholarly journal. And again, to see the full text, you would click on the title of the article, and then you have a number of ways to interact with it. You have the original PDF as an option, and then over here on the right, you have related sources. So that is a very quick overview of the 3 Procon databases available through the MBC library. Please don't hesitate to reach out to the library if you have any questions about these resources or any other resources available from the library.